Yeah, and so as I said, like, you know, your man is a thief, so you wouldn't trust him with your money, you know what I mean?
Facts. All right. So if you try to build a business then at Jamaica, which is common, right?
Yeah.
I send money down or whatever, to a family member. And most of our family member we can trust.
Right.
Me have like one or two of them that say, yo, absolutely.
Yeah.
Me have a money more, invest more, start a business. And I know that they're going to be on the same page and think like me, say, yo, we can't squander this for no short wins.
Yeah.
So if we can't trust our family member or depend on our family member to support us when we go upon certain moves or certain mission, then I mean, what's the point then? Right. Or who can we trust?
Exactly.
God.
Only God?
No, but I understand.
You're wicked.
No,
God help that podcast, I beg you.
No, I understand what you say, but you don't know you're gonna need some like regular people around you to help you.
All right, well, let me phrase that.
Well, hopefully you have a mother and father where you can.
Let me phrase it next way too. All right, I'm gonna just add on to what we just asked. So think about that. What kind of support are we looking for from our family members? Right. Are the people them close to it when we're trying to make them moves here?
Alright, so alright, go ahead.
Moral support, financial support if they can.
What does moral support mean? I understand what you say a while ago, but I just want to make sure.
Moral support, what that says that, okay, hey, I want to do so and so. Alright, good idea. Or if you don't agree, at least give me some good feedback.
Okay.
What do you think?
All right, gotcha.
And why you're saying it.
Why you're saying that. Don't just tell me, say, oh, you should do this because maybe you wanted to do it and then you never get to do it or whatever. I'm just saying, you give some good support. So, all right. Almost like you give somebody blessings. Like, go ahead.
So moral support.
Financial. If you can,
financial support.
Whether it be money in a hand or maybe to help trust something or co-sign something if they can.
Okay. What else?
That's financial.
Because that seems pretty easy, right? If you're smart,
it does seem pretty easy, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Because you don't lose by doing any of that.
Right.
Just by saying
the money part you will lose. Yeah, I get that. Because people don't want to live with their money.
Or co-signing, if somebody habits still,
What kind of support are you expecting from our family members?
Expecting? I would forget. Them can't keep their money. They're married to the party. I don't need no money from them. Okay. All I is if I tell you, come out and say, only thing me want are the chance to do certain things. See? Okay. When I really need it for hold me hand and say, Ray, whatever, right? If I come to you with an idea, I'm going to say, for example, I'm going out of town to go work. And I'm telling you, this is going to benefit me in the long run or whatever. I don't want you to tell me, or the first thing I say, why y'all go and you have the look on your face like something negative y'all start with already. Instead of saying, be safe and get what you need to get done and come back home safely or whatever, and we're there with you. That's all I like for you.
Alright, stick up in.
Yeah.
So if you come to me and say, yo, Dilly, so I go to town and I go to town for something that will benefit me, right?
Right.
Are you saying that I'm not supposed to ask you why or try to dig deeper?
No, you could ask me why, but don't be come off like something derogatory.
Where I go to town go do?
Exactly.
That's different than, oh, really, why? What's the occasion?
And then I proceed to explain to you what I'm going to go do, right?
Okay.
And you still, I said to myself, well, I don't know where I do that for our...
So it's almost like them not believing in you.
The doubt.
Right.
You see
and then that instill that mere, if you're weak and strong mind, may instill doubt in you.
Yeah, exactly, right? So then also so you reach up and on your way, you're saying, I wonder if me forgot or not, or whatever.
All right.
Exactly.
Okay.
And that same family member, when let's say, you get older and them start asking certain questions. How come you don't have this yet? How come you don't have such certain things in order yet, right? Yeah. But when you're trying to take the steps to get there, them don't want to support the process. Them want the end product. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So it's just you have said this for one hand, but you're not talking about the support where you should not give me. You see what I'm saying?
Right.
As I said,
especially when they ask for money.
Exactly.
It's not going to kill you to say, good luck, and if you need nothing, link me.
That's all you have to say. And that is when I'm going to say in American, add a boy or whatever.
Add a boy, a pat on the back.
You see what I'm saying? So now, what's crazy about it also is the person where you got to, we used to look up to, and you had so much respect for them where you felt like you could share anything with them.
Sure.
Any issue you have in your life or whatever. And you say, I'm going to link my dad's then and tell him, may I deal with that or whatever. And when you got to him and the response you get is so disappointing. It's just like, it kill your heart, you see me?
So unsupporting.
Exactly. It's just like, yo, dog, you really said that? Like, I never expect that from you. You see
okay, so do you have that conversation with them afterwards?
For say,
or do you just mark it as the other person?
No, you just keep that in your head.
No, you keep it in the...
Alright, I'll hold this treasure.
No, but here's the thing. I not even hold the treasure because sometimes them say give them the benefit of the doubt, right? Okay. You've done it once and you say, maybe him just do that thing.
A bad day or whatever.
Day. You do it again and I see him response are even worse.
So like, you can't help but to say you try to hold my back.
Exactly. I want to say them bad man. Most me I say, you know what? Me stop tell them things. Me not tell, not knowing they not get.
Okay.
So now when I make certain move, you just, say, me I do this or whatever.
Right. You're supposed to move in silence.
Exactly.
Yeah, but you don't expect that from me. Like you said, if somebody where you rate, you're confident, you're mentor.
And it don't even have to be somebody you own a family.
But a family me talk about.
Oh, right.
You see what I'm saying? Somebody who you looked up to. You know how disappointing that is?
It's very disappointing.
You don't know.
I don't know. I mean, fortunately and unfortunately.
Yeah.
I'm not close to like my family.
Yeah.
You know, so I don't look to them. I don't have expectations.
Yeah.
So I don't know what a disappointment feels like.
Same.
But I do know just by living through people vicariously, me know how disappointment can come when it comes to family, because the family is the one set of people we expect no matter what.
Then did it. There should be there.
Or they should be there.
Yeah.
Especially when you're that kind of person.
Right.
You know, Ragashanti used to always say, the things that you'd expect for yourself, you can't expect from somebody else.
It's just like the saying. What I'm saying, not because you're not a lion, don't think a lion won't eat you. See what I say?
Yeah.
It's not a Yawd Talk, it's just a saying.
Okay.
So because you wouldn't eat a lion, don't think the lion not gonna eat you. You see what I say?
Yeah. I mean,
right, and it could be your own family.
So do you have support from your family? In general?
In general, yes, but there's some family members that...
How do you deal with it? Do you just not tell them?
I just don't speak to them.
Keep your nugget, like you say.
I don't speak to them none at all. Like...
At all?
At all.
But what about some people who they're genuinely good family members? They just lack the ability to support.
Well, yes, that's true. I have one that's like that as well. And
they've just done no offer because they've never been supported, so them the no offer support.
Yeah. Right, and I understand that with that particular person. So you just kind of
well, one of them can't answer, you know what I mean?
Right, so you just kind of like move around them and you're not telling them certain things. And when they ask you how you doing, you're like,
actually, one of them can't answer.
You just tell them that you're doing good, and when they say, "Oh, well, what? Oh, you know,
all right.
I'm working on it." That's all. You don't need to know nothing. It's tentative
because they're not asking because they're interested.
No,
exactly. It's not coming from a good place.
No, they just
want
to hear somebody hear from somebody else and come to you.
Yeah, and then like also if you come see this something, I'm not call the name. See, you accomplish something, and them here say you accomplish it, and their remark would be, at least you're a cut above whatever.
Exactly.
Like, what did you expect from me then?
Exactly. You know,
and that's the thing. Some of them expect you to just be...
And the pussy them...
Like them.
Yeah,
them expect you to be like them.
Yes. And the fussy way I chat not have nothing.
That's why them expect you to be like them. So the minute you break through the wall...
Yeah.
Because a lot of us, let's be honest, a lot of us are like... a lot of us from Jamaica or from the Caribbean or from any...
Yeah, I mean agriculture. I know that.
We are, a lot of us now, themselves millennials, we're groundbreakers.
Millennial, you're a big man. Millennial, I picked my band 2000 up.
A joke, yeah, make.
Kill me. What?
No, that's not a millennial.
You're born 1980 something.
Yo, we now need to look it up, brother.
I tell you, that's not, I'm a millennial.
You're not, motherfucker.
Anyway, it's very stressful. Yeah.
Millennial come now, him can't tie them shoelace, dog.
That's not a millennial, B. Millennials are early as 1980s.
Me a no millennial, me a bad man. Millennial well.
You're 40.
You see me? But
you're old man.
I 8 is my bad. Millennials can't even tie them shoelace.
Generation X. Zin, starting birth, okay.
What's it?
1980s as a starting birth and the mid-90s, early 2000s as the ending birth.
I'm gonna be like so sarcastic right now.
Zin?
You know what I say? Like, millennials, bro. Millennials are like, them can't tie them shoelaces.
You're lying. You're killing yourself right now.
I'm not killing myself.
People, disagree with him for him, no. Millennials.
Can you see it on the internet, right?
No, but I'm telling you, I'm a millennial.
I saw it on the internet. It's correct.
That's not true.
Exactly. It's our foolishness that you match up.
No, but that's what I identify as millennials.
Millennials are people that grew up with laptop, phone.
Exactly.
We are millennials.
No.
I didn't grow up with laptop and phone.
No, millennials are from, if them said millennials are from Alright, you grew up with more advanced.
I'm gonna tell you what millennial in my eyes are them.
I grew up
with
VHS.
You didn't grow with that.
You
grew with CD and DVD.
No, CD, that was in the end.
When you know about CD?
When I was in high school.
Yeah, how much in high school? 14.
15.
14, 15. You're a millennial, B. You're not, because when you're in high school, data discard, data band just come out.
There was 8 tracks.
8 tracks.
Bro. Me, here's why me used to copy cassette to cassette.
On the radio, yeah.
I used to put CD on cassette and sell.
Alright, you see, you're not a millennial.
No.
Remember, you got Bob Marley concert. You were around when Bob was alive. We weren't. We are millennials because we grew up in an era where internet and technology and access to information was prevalent.
I'm gonna tell you, a millennial now, them can't even change a car tire. Them can't.
I can't.
Top talk. Let's top talk.
Why change a car tire when you have people here?
Hold on. See? Go son, them can't they're on my job. See? If I give you something basic to do and you cannot do, you fit the description because I'll lay in your phone all day. You're walking around the compound and you almost get lit down by a car. Because see you this, down in your phone the whole time.
Yeah.
You see me I say? You're not business what go on in the world. You're not aware of nothing else where go on. You see me? Yeah, them are the one where you say drive and a text and I do 3 million different things one time. See me I say? Them not rough certain way.
So, members of Generation X were children during a time of shifting societal values. And as children sometimes called... Alright, so now what I read here saying. What do you want?
See it.
A millennial, to me, the reason why I identify as millennial is because the generation before me, like the U generation, y'all ain't do nothing.
As far as what?
Nothing. As far as progressing society.
Are you mad?
What wanna do?
Yo, we are the foundation of most of what we get now.
Joke, yeah,
that's why. Alright, I not even want to get personal with it, but my kind of work with me do, most millennials cannot do it. And my kind of work with me do, connecting on everything.
Are you a coal miner?
You know what I'm saying?
He sound like a coal miner.
No, man, I tell you, my kind of work with me
I hear you.
Or whatever, and that's the thing. They frown upon certain things. I mean, I said, when I say me's a blue collar person then. See?
Fine. Millennials aren't that.
Alright, I'm going to tell you, because I'm even go as far as to work in a chip plant, a computer chip plant.
Okay.
See? Which... millennials might be the ones in there probably programming the machines or whatever. Who put the machine them in there?
The
or run the shit them. I do that.
Okay, cool.
So if them can't do it.
So millennials, a lot of people will say millennials are lazy, we're unaccomplished, we don't know if to change car tire. Right. I would argue that millennials work smarter, not harder.
Really?
So instead of go down into the coal miner, we're gonna program the computer to do it.
I can read a print. I could use computers. I could do all of that.
Okay.
You see me? I said, but them not have the dexterity or whatever what me have. They don't have it. The skill them what me possess, a lot of them don't. You know why?
But we don't need to.
Because what you mean I don't need to?
Because we
every bridge where you drive cross have something to do with me and my kind of work.
Okay, but millennials are empowering technology or using technology to our advantage. We're not have to be blue collar. We're not have to pick up the steel go do it because you know what? We're gonna program a car to go pick up the steel for us.
You still have to have wheat in the plant to do that.
Manpower.
That's not true. Tesla. Wait a minute. Pause. Tesla, right? Tesla built a gigafactory and they're building the Model 3 cars, right?
Okay.
You know who's building those cars?
Who's building
robots. It's automated. The entire process is automated.
Who built the robots?
Robots built the robots.
Who came up with the
Tesla just released
this is something totally different though.
No, it's fine. A yard talk. That's how we go.
But I don't think you're a millennial, dude.
Why not?
Because millennials are just some soft, like little babies kind of to me. That's what I see them as.
I am that.
Nigga.
In terms of this, right? Not the soft baby part. But in terms of, I look at the reason why millennials get that label sometimes as soft and babies is because we're not doing the hard labor.
No, you know why? We're not doing them consider them millennials? Because they feel like they're expecting too much. Like everything's supposed to. A lot of them are like
we're entitled.
Yes,
you're damn right we are.
Why?
That's why y'all should have been entitled too. You see, entitlement gives you we don't settle, right? A woman. Wait.
Never said second neither.
Yeah, y'all did.
No, who?
Y'all settled after the civil rights movement. We talked about it last episode. What did y'all do since then? Nothing. A millennial will come along and say, you know what? Instead of just being a woman in X field and being a secretary, no, I'm more qualified than that.
I'm gonna tell you what millennials do. Like when them them a campaign and I put up them sign or whatever and I say if Ray, all them do is put up placard and chat. People
that's
like
not true.
Action. You see
that's not true. Y'all did no action. In my opinion.
All right.
Millennials are the driving force for societal change. We're the ones saying, equal rights. Big up Aisha now. But we're the ones saying, like, equal rights for women, equal pay. Y'all generation didn't do anything. Y'all didn't care. Because if y'all did, we wouldn't just the other day be getting equal pay for women.
No, that's been going on for the longest. A long time.
What do you mean? Obama put that in.
All right, guys. Match is over.
All right. Okay. All right, win.
Anyway, yeah.
All right. So people, let us know what you think of millennials versus, what's your gen? Baby boomers?
Nah, I wouldn't be a baby boomer.
Boomers, 1960s. Jesus.
Anyway.
All right, so we're talking about, what are we talking about though? The support fit.
Yeah.
We're talking about family support and the lack of it.
Right, and then like...
Which is very disheartening.
Exactly. And as somebody where you say that I look up to or whatever, and I'm going to tell you,
okay, so how do you...
It's not even looking up to, it's like, that's your family member, that's your auntie.
You think they would have glad
do you have family? Do you have siblings that look up to you? Either one?
Well, I'm the oldest, so I would think so. No, but I look up to my brothers as well.
Are there opportunities where they're looking to you guys for family support?
Yeah, and I give it where I can.
Okay.
Yeah, and of course, we bounce ideas off each other and I said, listen.
What do you think?
So we're part of the change then of that.
All right, like even...
Well, it's difficult because I wouldn't say that I have that dynamic with all of my siblings, but...
Right.
But do you think generally a family member look by you and say, oh, if I need support from something, I can go to him or...
Yeah.
Not money support, but if I have an idea, I can go there with an idea.
All of my direct family. I wouldn't say like all of my family because my family big, but...
And then you also...
That's just not... It's just...
Also, there's a saying where like, you never know who's watching, seeing? So be careful in your actions and what you do, seeing? Because like, you might... Like, I tell you what happened to me the other day, I raised with my brother. And he might said to me, say, yo, like... You remember when I was doing such a thing or whatever, and him like kind of emulate what I did. And whenever I realized that he might pay attention to me like that. So I said, be careful of the things that you do. You see what I said? That's why when I go back to them, say somebody that you look up to, if it was an older uncle where they are liquor youth and you used to see them and I do certain thing and I say, yo, John, I'm gonna want to be like my uncle, have the vehicle there or whatever, do that kind of work the way him do. And then now, in a year life, you're going to make certain step and you go to that family member or whatever. Yeah. And I say, yo, say, at this morning, you think them would be happy for you? Or the joy where you think them would have, get the feedback there. You see what I said? That's disappointing.
That's disappointing.
You know what I said?
Right.
I don't know.
Or they don't believe in you. They don't think you're worthy or
maybe it's not even I don't know. I feel like that's overcomplicating it. I feel like they just don't know. Just like when a Jamaican man, just don't know how to be affectionate towards their kids. Or their woman.
Yeah.
Like the way I grew up, I never was told like I love yous and good boy, I'm proud of you. All I heard was when me get a B, you feel do better. When I got an A, it was never nothing was something like I expected.
Yeah, exactly.
You know what I'm saying? So like little stuff like that as a big man don't remember and me carry through life.
Right.
But a lot of because we weren't given it, we just don't know how to reciprocate it.
But then also what's even crazier when you see that said family member there, somebody supporting somebody else.
Exactly.
Then they no longer have the excuse that them don't know if they do it.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So
that's fucked up.
So basically they might water somebody else's plant and not yours. So and not
that you ask them to water, but
it's
don't
like,
be disrespectful and don't say certain things where you're not in the business to say. Like when you're
it's just like, yo, I
not really do nothing, but you're just
so
it's just
make me really not make it look a person like
this is why I said I only trust the guy up above.
Yeah. But
God, look how God bless Trump.
No, anyway, we say I get like a personal with that.
Yeah, my dad, right? I'm not close to my father.
Yeah.
But the way I grew up is like it wasn't just my dad; it was a dad for everybody in the family.
Right.
Right. Everybody in the family needed support or nothing.
And them him link.
And him always have them. He was just a kind man that was a provider that way.
Right.
Right. Like I said, when I was going to school, I was a fairly bright young boy.
Yeah.
Passed with JC, big up Jamaica College.
Right.
You see me with Alma. So I wasn't like lax in terms of like wanting to do something and have an ambition.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. But I never got the support from my family.
Yeah.
It was almost like they expected me to be there, not knowing that as a youth, I would love if the one, yo, your pastor, I test you a good job, man, you're proud of you.
Yeah.
Never got that. It was always, I expected that.
Right.
And people would always come back and say, oh, your mother and father brag boy, you, and it's like, really?
But then I tell me that.
I don't hear that.
Exactly.
Isn't it? So like,
Exactly.
I would have wished I had that.
That's true.
But I have heard my dad brag about like my cousin them.
Yeah.
You see me? I mean, I say, maybe the feeling the way I do it, maybe I would like to feel that.
Yeah.
Tell me you're actually proud.
Yeah.
Understand? So I never had that support.
Right.
I hope that when I do have kids, you know, one of my biggest fears is for kind of do the same thing them way him do to me without knowing.
Without knowing?
Right. I hope that I'm not that kind of person.
But the thing I'm always say about that is, them say 7 man, 7 different minds. See? So right. People always have a saying what them say, oh, I can't make it no better because my father stays or my mother stays. So that's a foolishness, if you ask me.
Absolutely, I agree. Which
is why I kind of agree with what you said before about certain people because they're like, it's this way, so we're not doing nothing to change it.
Right.
I'm not like that. So I say, so it have to stop somewhere. And it starts with me for say make a change or whatever. You see what I say? So if them tell us, say like, oh, your father used to do this or whatever, that doesn't mean you have to do that.
Exactly.
Or be that way.
Well, you realize how blessed you are to have that mentality for things that you're not shackled to your parents.
But that's what I tell you with the older people, them where you think you could have look up to for certain things. Them have the mentality there. Them don't want to take no chance to grow. It's like they don't want to take the risk. Like me get up out of my comfort zone. See? And understand something where like you do like you just get up and do it because you're happy to do it. You're doing it for a reason. You're sacrificing
taking a chance
to get something.
Of course.
See? So me done it on myself, I make the sacrifice there already. And all me ask you for do I just say you do your thing. That's all I want you say now. I done I say yo, me I go left my girlfriend, me I go left my mother, me I go left like my brethren them. Everything to my comfort. Me I left it. And me give up a job what me they have before for this because I want to make myself better.
Of course.
You see what I say? And it's like me I do all of this and you can't say yo you just.
But you know what?
You see
Back to what he was saying. Sometimes they probably went through the same thing. Because actually, now that I think about it, that situation is the same thing when people get from Jamaica to come to America or
them leave everything.
Canada or UK, whatever. And when they're saying to the people at home, you know what? I'm not gonna leave my job. I'm not gonna file for my green card and go up. And they don't get no support, and they come and do it anyways.
Yeah.
So they just passing on the same
without knowing.
Guys, it's almost like yo.
It's actually the same thing when you think about it.
Yeah, nobody didn't help me, so.
I didn't say go to friend and come back. No one encourages you
to
go through the struggles and stay. And them all just say, oh, where you gonna bring back our go on and make the money and come back. Yeah. They're not seeing a long-term vision.
Right. So it's honestly the same thing.
But yeah, I would say like I think we're super blessed to be able to be able to think outside of that. Because the easiest thing to do, the easiest path, is to do what's been done before. Follow that path, be safe.
Right.
You know? All of us are here right now on the podcast because we weren't playing it safe.
Yeah, but you know what the definition of insanity is, right?
Doing the same thing over and over again.
And expect a different result.
Exactly.
So yeah, basically these people are insane.
Right.
If I go by the definition there.
Yeah.
See? Them always tell you, oh, you want to get a good job.
Yeah.
What is a good job?
Right.
What is the thing is like what is good money to you?
The money that they're living on.
That's a good job. I saw actually a great meme on Instagram. It said something like the boss would have said like, oh, he bought this new Lamborghini or whatever. Man. And he's saying like the meme says like, oh, if you keep it up, next year I could buy a new Lamborghini.
Right.
Mm-hmm. So basically you keep up the good work and
do well. Buy a Lamborghini.
So basically at the end of the day, honestly, don't worry about getting a good job. I think that's so overrated these days. Make your own job. Make your own business.
Set up shop.
Right. Yeah. And try things. If it fail, it's at least you tried. The next thing woman I said before, right?
But don't give up your full
time.
When
am I gonna make that?
Yes.
Don't give up your
secure the bag first and
secure the bag. And insurance and the benefits.
No, we get that.
And then try a thing in between.
Yeah. But like also you need, if you know something within yourself, say yo, this is what you really want to do. I don't think anything should stop you from doing that. Because you know what gonna happen when you're saying the worst thing you can say, boy, you know something should I do that. You know, so when me make the step there for leave my comfort zone is the reason why I'm do it.
Yeah, but that's not practical though. That's not practical. So you were able to leave your comfort zone and to take a risk because you had certain securities. Because
it was securities. You
did things in the past that secured that move.
So I can make the move there at some point.
Somebody that's living Anto mode.
Right, you don't want to do that. I get it. You take calculated risk. I get that. So
you can't say don't let anything stop you from pursuing your dreams.
At some point you're
gonna do it. That's what rich people say. When they talk to like Warren Buffett and them money, them say, oh, I just believed in myself and nothing stopped me.
You see me? But it's just like, let's see this today also. It says, Nothing is wrong with waiting. What's wrong is when you wait too long.
True.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's a good one.
So it's like timing. And you knowing yourself when it's also what if I say who hesitating or enough hesitating or war when that time for shoot you shoot.
But look, we're gonna circle this back to the first thing we talk about Wagwan and Mobius.
Yeah.
You so long the man them wait for do this?
Yeah.
Them should have do this from last year, from the year before.
From the just start
and a just no crime
guess what? This is affecting tourism
now.
And money that's coming in. So people are
waiting too long.
People always been at Jamaican state, but they say, all right, I'm going to be a mega Negro. It's okay at that time, but now it's not okay.
Well, like what I said earlier, kind of
white people at work, I really wanted to go to Negril or
you see the first time
killing there and they killed an
American girl. Let me tell you
that.
I'm not getting nobody no ideas, dog, but you see the first time that you see them shoot up at airport, best believe Jamaica get locked down, clamp up for the better. People don't go do them something. There.
Yeah.
But I like what you said. There's nothing wrong waiting, but don't wait too
long. Not do that.
There's a lot of people that I know, including myself sometimes.
Yeah.
That because we want to get it right, we take forever to execute. We plan.
And next thing, all right. May I talk to somebody the other day? Seen? And like you said, me have some security, like a security net set up already. So if that fail, me can't never safety net, safety blanket, whatever you want to call it.
Right.
I disagree with her when me heard that reason. She said, you shouldn't have a contingency. It's okay to have contingency plans, but when you have that, it's almost like you take away from the main thing you're trying to get at. I disagree. Because, like, if you aim at something and you miss, you should have something else.
Of course.
I think so.
Of course.
So I not think having a contingency plan I go take away from me and goal. I don't believe that.
I disagree.
You think so?
What do you think, Chin?
No, plan B should secure plan A.
No, plan B, how you use what time the girl not forget. Right, anyway, but I think if you're going into something with an option A and an option B,
because you have
not doubt. Because you have the plan B,
you're
more reluctant to quit when it gets hard for plan A because you have a backup.
Yes, this is true, but you shouldn't do that. You need to set your mind for say, I'm gonna go through plan A, but you have to have a B. Cause we're gonna just drop.
But then there's no failure for plan A. You have no choice but to succeed.
But it's a part of life. Sometimes things don't work out. You need to. Right.
I hear you.
I understand what you're saying.
Because I understand both sides of it.
If you have a plan B, you kind of have a little doubt in your mind or a little like, all right, if it don't work, it's all right.
Yeah, no, I hear you.
But you need to be strong in yourself and say, all right, I'm gonna go through with plan A.
No, because
if you drop on your ass, then at least plan B.
You're secure.
Yeah,
you're in reality. You're not in the
exactly like even
so imagine you just drop down, you just.
It's not a video game where it's like game over, start over.
It goes like a mental thing also, like because I remember one time we'd have some tough time in my life where like it seemed like everything was going bad to me. Seeing everything seemed like it was going bad. All right. Some reason would, cause enough time, they must say when I go through certain things, everybody doesn't have to know. You keep a smiling face,
of course,
and keep going.
Absolutely.
After I get through the rough patch, there, I reason with one of my cousin or whatever. I say, yo, you know, say that going on, ray, and them I say, really, like, how do you get through that? Like, how do you? It's almost like them they ready for drop them hand and I say, boy, it done. I don't like being uncomfortable with anything at all. I don't like it. See? So if I'm in a situation where like I do everything to get out of it. So I say, work as my channel all of my energy to get out of that. See, no matter how much me I hurt or whatever, I channel all of my energy to make my thing better.
Just to get out of it.
So I say, so it's like when I bring up Tanto when I say when broke I go. It's not a nice thing when you can't do the necessary. I not even say to do nothing rich or whatever. The necessary stuff when you can't do it, that's not nice. So I say the next thing when I say people for understand is the difference between living and surviving. Seeing?
Okay.
When they say people are living from and to mode then.
Okay.
That's just surviving. You're not living.
Okay.
So you work to survive. Okay. You're not living. So cause if you miss one day of work, I'm not even say a week, a day, it's like your whole thing fall apart. It's like you never want to be in a situation like that. That's the reality for most people. But I get it. But
and sometimes there's no solution out of it.
But may I give you our next thing about that? It's like it's the choices you make. So a lot of
that's
times,
not true. Sometimes you don't have to make a choice. Choice is just the roadblocks that you're born into.
I get that, but like sometimes are the choices you make. Cause I'll give you an example. One time we went to a class, with Augusta, and I said, looking into getting a house or whatever, right? Okay. What the process to get the house or whatever. So we're gonna sit down in like a little workshop. And they're telling you, you can get grants or whatever, blah, 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 right? When you do your research and see how the grants work, it's like, okay, you have to make this much for qualify.
Of course.
So if you make too much money, you don't qualify, right? Then there's another step further to say you can get partial help. Same thing again, if you make too much money, you don't qualify.
Right. So and mind you, that step ladder is very low.
Yeah.
Facts.
So it's not even like the average. It's like
way below average.
So anyway, I'm going to know and
can't make more than $16,000.
So like, I'm going to know and me did it in that class.
Can't make more than $5 an hour.
Me did it and yo, me not when I express something, I tell them exactly how I feel.
Yeah, so book your ball.
Dirty Yankee girl in our Buckeye class said, you need to have some kids. Mm-hmm. How is that going to help my process when I try to do? Because when tax time come, you claim me for the kid.
The one time you get to claim a couple $1,000.
Exactly. It's like, me just go work and get the money. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. The same couple $1,000 you're getting back. Well, that's the whole point of getting the child tax credit, because you're paying back yourself for the money. But it's like, how dumb can he be? It's like,
how much does it take to support a kid as opposed to the $3 grand where I get for your pitney? And you done it in I said month, because you don't understand. So you go buy a new car or whatever. It's stupid. That's true.
I'm
going to tell her the choices and the mentality, Bridget. I tell her a lot of it has to do with choices, bro.
So, I hate to bring it back up again, but from last week, we just barely touched upon Dr. Joy DeGruy.
Yeah.
Post-traumatic slave syndrome.
Right.
When slavery done in the dark, remember, there was no therapy for it. After slavery, and you have Reconstruction to Jim Crow, to civil, all of them stuff that happened.
Right.
There was no therapy. There was no sit down and actually talk you through about all none of that, right? So a lot of the same things that we brought through slavery just to survive slavery.
Generation
remember, the whole heap of slaves and mother for slaves that had their kids. Them say, my son no word, nothing, them can't live, them can't do nothing.
Yeah.
So they've been down talking their kids from long time, right? So and depending on if it survive, for the master to take them and go rape them, start like doing nothing. But, them get worthless, So from them time until now, that's been passed down generations. So you have a set of people now, I'm just going to speak to black people, that they would rather, or their survival mechanism, tell them, say, or their trauma rather, dictate to them, say, I bet you sit down and get the look I know from the government than to get up and go look your way.
Right.
So I mean, like I said, you said it's the choices.
Sometimes
it is choices. I'm not saying no. But I think there are absolutely cases where it's like,
it's bad.
They don't even know. Like, I guarantee there's gonna be one person watching this now saying, damn, that's me know somebody like that.
Right.
And that person has no idea that, you're enabling your damn self to be unsuccessful.
Me get where I said, but that's why I mean, like...
I'm not gonna sell drugs.
I'm not gonna shoot up my beer.
Yeah.
A real talk. Exactly. That's how things happen.
But, me I said, like you said, we reach that stage in our life, don't worry. You're more educated or whatever. You learn from other people's mistakes. So
it's a luxury.
Right, but I say you think you want better for yourself. That's what I say.
That's a luxury. You do want better for yourself, but the way about going about it is...
Yeah, then people that are on food stamp to them, they're doing better for themselves.
Right.
Then they are, because they can't full on for me.
It sure is. Facts. But what I'm saying to you is...
look on price.
What I'm saying to you is like... So when I lived in D.C., I didn't realize until after I moved out of D.C. that we live in bubbles. And if you're fortunate enough to have ambition, something like ambition... Yeah. Not all of us got that, B.
No, man, no.
So if you have the ambition to say, $10 an hour is not enough, I need 11.
Yeah.
Dog, trust me, I have people that said 10.
Listen. This is so true. I was talking to my coworker about this. I remember saying I'm in the medical field.
That's why I'm saying, what is good
the
money?
The two of us, we were like, this can't be
the life.
Like, I have a good job and I have a good, whatever, position or whatever. But I'm just saying, like, this can't be like, we want more.
Right.
And I was talking to some older people in our field, the profession. And the one said, that's just how it is.
Right.
I should just settle for that.
Exactly.
And she wasn't even that old. I think she was maybe 5 years older than us. And we were just like, dang, people just sit on this.
And just take it so. All right. Let's take everything.
Yeah.
So, I mean, ambition is a luxury. So, and she was white. And to be...
Think about it. Think about those secretaries that's been secretary or assistant.
15 years.
15, 20, 30 years.
And I said being it.
Dog, I can't even stay in one job for more than 2-3 years.
No,
But in the same aspect, if you're being loyal to a certain okay, if that's your friend and you're working for their business, I can understand.
Can't be my friend if I'm working for you.
Hear the thing, though.
I'm your friend, make me a partner. Big one thing.
No, hear the thing. So
okay.
None of my friends them don't work for me. I don't work for none of my friends.
So my father always say, right, them one like if them pitney alone want to eat.
All right.
And if them pitney alone for go on vacation.
The man say, you go and work, remember buy me Lambo.
Yeah.
You see me?
See?
I was like, when I saw that meme, I was like,
it's real talk.
But the reason
it's real talk.
Like how you would say, oh, just work hard and next year you could probably buy something like that for the...
In my trade, when I get my hands dirty all the time, them ever saying, ain't nothing too good for we. So at the same restaurant where them people in them suit I could go.
Same place me
I go.
No
problem.
In my hoodie.
You see me?
Trayvon Martin.
Yeah. So it's like...
You see me?
That's the joy about it, you see me? So when them frown upon certain thing, as I said, sometimes it's the choices that people make. Because I could talk forever. Because I've seen where
it's not though, because we got a limit on this.
I know. But I say, when I go and come here, see, I'm going to learn my trade or whatever. And I have to pay for go school. I'm going to say, youth, they had this thing where if you're in high school, them let you come over to trade school for a few hours. For free.
Yeah.
For free.
Yeah.
The youth, them will come over from the high school. The youth, them just there and joke it out.
Yeah.
Seeing them never take it serious or whatever. So them never really learn or the skill of them to get them to get, because them look on this like a joke class.
Of course.
So me I say?
Yeah.
So I am telling you, sometimes at the choice where you make and they not have nothing to do with color, because there was like black and white picnic come over there and them just joke
I disagree. Everything has to do with color.
Jesus, Father.
No, seriously. You see, a black youth in the same class with a white youth, him joke it out 2 times, him gone. The white youth can joke it out 4 times and get another shot. Color has to do with everything.
Brethren, why you joke it out for beginning? Means a black
That's fine. That's fine.
Why are you joking
I get
it
that.
out?
I get that.
Free?
I'm not saying joke it out, but I'm saying you don't get the luxury of second and third chance.
You should not blow it, not joke it out. You get your shot, you take it.
But what happens? We're humans. We make mistakes.
You mean I like that the excuse the night of that.
What do you mean?
I get
it's
it.
The truth.
I get it. But me I say, yo, you can make a choice, dog. You're an animal, brethren, where you have your program for do certain thing. I understand you can make mistakes. I get it. But me I said, brother, the man them get the thing for free.
Okay, I get that.
And then when me go so and do my thing now, and then a couple years later them see me and me probably I do better. They said you to want to come rob me or whatever.
So no, I get what you're saying. I think we're talking about 2 different things. I'm making an argument that you're saying it has nothing to do with color. Yo, I disagree. I think everything in America has to do with color.
I understand that white youth might get more chance, but you get your 2 chances and you blow them. Why? That may I say why? Okay,
you're arguing a different point of what I'm asking about.
Yes, dog. May I say, yo.
What you're saying has nothing to do with the fact that.
So, you bring something color night.
Because you said nothing has to do with color.
No, may I say.
I'm not telling you I disagree with that.
No, because I'm telling you, both of them kids was over there wasting time. Them are waste time.
Okay.
So it no matter if him the black or him white, him over there now take him chance.
Okay, I get that.
Me have to pay for go to school and take my chance to do what me need for do.
Okay.
They were coming to the school that put youth for work in that.
Okay.
So may I say?
I get what you're saying. Don't squander the opportunities,
exactly.
whether you're black, white, or otherwise.
But what I'm saying is, a sidebar in there because that don't really have to do with what he's saying, though.
No.
I see what you're saying. They have
I'm only reacting to the fact that you said it has nothing to do with color, and I'm always gonna every single thing.
Bring a point that people waste their chances.
Resort to the and say, oh, it's because I'm black too from Jamaica.
Okay, but guess what? You see, if you're black and you mess up your chance, chances are you ain't get another one.
Me get where I said, Dylan, but me say,
don't mess
dog, you come over there for free. Take your opportunity.
I understand what you're saying.
So you can help yourself.
I'm not arguing that. I'm arguing that.
I understand the color thing where I say, even when I do my thing and forget the job, then probably that give.
But so you can't make a statement like everything that it has nothing to do with color.
Not everything have to do with color, Bridget. If me,
give me an example of something that don't have to do with color.
I just said to you, me and the CM youth go over to school. And why you can't apply yourself like me apply myself?
Applying yourself has nothing to do with color. I get that. But getting a chance if you didn't apply yourself absolutely has to do with color.
Yeah, but me I said, Reggie, I gotta keep going back and forth about this. The youth needs to take him chance. And then him can't go say, oh, it's because I'm black. Don't say that.
No, absolutely not.
I say that, my youth.
Shoot your shot first time around.
Don't miss, because if you're black, you ain't get another one.
So sidebar, yes.
Okay. I get that.
Okay.
So then move on to the part that you were going to next.
So go to the next.
So this was a sidebar.
So I say like
threw you off for a doozy.
You take your chance or whatever when you get them or whatever, and then like don't act like say
obviously.
Yeah, don't act like you never get your chance, brother, for make yourself better. Okay. I say you did get a chance. Because I see it with my own 2 eyes. I see it. Just like I get the racism thing and everything, but when they come here, sometimes see American, them tell you, go back to Jamaica on your banana boat. Said black people are telling that.
Yeah.
This is true.
You see what I say?
True.
When they're getting food stamps.
And them a chat off them face. You see what I say? Them not take them. I not say all of them, you know. But everything is always like, oh this, oh that, whatever. The youth them are Jamaica where a boss gone certain way. If them get the chance, like enough of them youth you get, them take it.
Of course. Murder it.
You see what I say?
That's true. Remember, when I watch a little clips at Jamaica and then people think it's funny, we see a man up on a little Caah to move faster than a Caah. And these are engineers.
The man
they just never got the opportunity. Yeah. So I agree with you. So when they get the chance, make full opportunity. Chance, and sometimes, even if you don't get the chance, believe in yourself enough to try create your own chance.
Right.
You know, like we say it almost every episode. We say, yo, we hope this podcast inspire Smarty to do something.
Yeah, it needs to. Yeah,
this is exactly what this is. Yeah. None of us have ever done anything like this before.
Some feeling or whatever. You see me trigger you to do something positive.
And we are trying. You understand?
And it's a work.
It's working. It's working. So,
see me I say.
Hope say people look upon it that for wrap up or look upon it and realize, so yo, one, believe in yourself enough to know, so yo, you can do something. You can put your mind to it. And the only time you fail is when you don't try.
Exactly.
And never forget, there's a lane for everybody.
Exactly.
Stay in your lane.
And
there's a lane for everybody. You'd be surprised.
And the third thing we want to say, wrap up. Final wrap up.
Yeah.
Remember, don't give Puss Butta.
The
carry. Because they're going to near me. People, that's it. Another episode of Yawd Talk wrap up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
You see it.
You know what I
do. Yeah. Subscribe and
give us some ideas.
Give us some thoughts.
Feedback.
Let us know what you want us to talk about next. And remember, check us out on Twitter at Yawd Talk Podcast, and Instagram.
Some more gears that come. New T-shirts that come soon.
T-shirts are drop.
Once we get them, it us inbox we and thing.
Yeah, send us an inbox. We're working on a website. I promise. A web developer is some garbage, man. We'll work on it though. We're going to fire him and hire somebody else.
Yeah, so the shirt the man coming so support the thing. You know what I mean?
And big up on yourself. We had fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode and the content.
Yeah.
We're on Instagram also.
Yeah, at Yawd Talk Podcast.
Right.
You don't want to get an Instagram name?
No, it's at Yawd Talk, man.
It's in the bio down below.
Yeah. Bio down below.
Remember, subscribe and don't get Puss Butta for Caah.
See.
Move and go it.